Welcome to class, everyone. Hello, hello. I'm Miss Faust. Yes, indeed. Today is note-taking day, day 1 of a lesson. Please make sure you have paper out and a pen or pencil. We are getting ready to start reading. Are you excited? I hope you are. Indeed, we're getting ready. So we're going to start with literary elements. Every story, every poem, every novel, every play has elements such as tone or plot or character that help to make it up. Okay? And as a result, we're going to tackle over a 2-day period 5 major elements. We have 2 for today, so we're going to start with the easy ones. Yes, indeed. You might sit there and go, Ms. Faust, they are not easy. Yes, these 2 especially are easy. Are you ready to start? All right. I'm looking. Let me see. Yep. Looks like we're ready. So let me get my pointer. What color shall it be? Let's see. Let me see. We'll do purple to start. Okay, let's go over to this board here. And today, as I said, is day 1 of 2 days. Here's your title, Literary Elements, or sometimes they're known as Elements of Fiction. In other words, we're not dealing with your how to fix something manuals. Okay, how to fix the car, how to fix the vacuum cleaner, how to fix the washer. No, we're not doing those. We have nothing to worry about there. As in plot, mood, foreshadowing, nothing like that. Okay? Literary elements, just your fiction, your make-believe. Okay? Also, could be nonfiction, which is based on truth. We could have something such as the theme. Okay. Make this your title. We'll start with, didn't I tell you? Easy. We're going to start with the setting. How exciting is that? Okay. We can see the setting is made up of 2 elements. So many elements are there. Or shall we say 2 parts so we don't get confused with this here. Setting is made up of your time and your location/place. Some people know it as place. Some people know it as location. Either one is fine. It's okay. Pick whichever one you want. Okay? This is exciting. Now, I want to know from you. When we say time, what are we talking about? Are we talking about, let's look at my watch. It says it's almost 10 o'clock. Or it says it's 2 o'clock. Is that what we're talking about? What do you think? Yes? Okay. Yes, it could be. It could be the exact, in other words, the clock time. And there's a clock all the way over there. Clock time. Or it could be something such as Saturday. Such as winter. Such as, let me think, January. Could also be, let's see, the Victorian age in England. Those are all examples of time. In other words, you're not limited to your watch or to the clock. Let's take some notes. I'm going to put some words up here. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Got a little stuck. Okay, so we can say for time, Saturday, we got that? We could say winter, Oh, you know what we also could say? Morning! Let's do morning. And Victorian era. We don't want to forget Queen Victoria. All examples of time. Now, let us focus on location, place. So what do we mean with location and place? What do we mean? Yes, school. Good job. Could be the school. It could also be Moscow. Could be, if you're into science fiction, Venus. Could be Albertsons. Could be a beach. The ocean. Those are all examples. My gosh. Woo, what a day for this marker. Let's put those down. Let's jot those down. In your notes. Remember, take notes. Okay, so ocean. You don't have to be specific. Our writer may just mention that the girl is near the ocean. That's all that the writer needs to do in order to set up the setting. Ocean. What else? What else did we say? School. Okay. Venus. Moscow. Those are all wonderful examples. Remember again, when writers do their wonderful writing, they do include these elements in their work. Sometimes it's a little difficult to find the setting, but look for key words. The writer may not come out, especially if it's a short story or even a poem, may not come out with Malibu Beach. It may just be the beach. Any questions so far? No? Okay, let's turn over to here. Change the color. Let's do red. Theme. Yes, writers have themes. They have themes. So think about it. Your novel, your book, your short story, your poem, your play, whatever it is that you're reading, it has a theme. What is the theme? It's the main idea, the main point. Why is the person writing? What is the reason for the story? Why did he write it? That's what we're talking about. So you might say, oh, it's all about friendship. It's all about peace. And I'm talking not a piece of cake, but there's peace in the country. Okay, it's all about caring. It's all about wealth. Okay, that's good. That's good. When you read the story and you come up with that word, that's great. But notice right here, one sentence. You need to turn it into a sentence. What are you trying to say about wealth? What's he saying about wealth? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it What's he saying? So here we go. Examples. War is costly. It's all about war. But the author is saying it's costly. Lots of people may die. Hope is life-saving. It's all about hope. But what about it? It's life-saving. You've got to have hope to have a real good life. That could be what the writer's trying to tell you in his wonderful poem. Okay, that's what you need to do for the theme. So you've got to dig. And the more you have, the easier it is to find the theme. Now remember, the longer the story is, the longer the novel is, the more themes there will be. Now if you have a poem of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, it may be a little harder, but you can still find the theme. However, right here, you need support. Don't just tell me war is costly. Where's your support? Where did I find in that novel that it says war is costly? I mean, not war is costly in that sense, but it points to it being War is costly. Where in your novel? Find the pages. Give me examples. If you can't do that, if you can't find support, it's not the theme. Don't try to put the book with the theme. It won't work. Now, theme versus moral. Change color, I guess. They're very close. We tend to get them mixed up because they're so close. But there's a difference. Your theme is the main idea or point, whereas the moral is the lesson taught. What is the lesson the writer's trying to teach you? And it tends to be a life lesson. And guess what? Morals are quite often found in fables. And the characters in fables tend to be what? Animals. So these two buddies, they would be the characters. They would be talking to each other. Hi there. Hi. Okay? It's through the animals that the writer will teach you a moral. The moral could be, it is good to have friends. The moral could be, don't believe everything you see or hear. Okay? So that's the difference between the theme and the moral. Be very careful. The characters in a fable, being animals, they'll teach you so much. Okay? But you got to think, moral or theme. Okay? Fables, for example, rely heavily on the moral. Okay? So make sure you don't mix the two definitions. Now here's your assignment. Mr. Bear's gonna do it. The assignment is, give an example of a life lesson. Did everyone get that? Your assignment is to give me, Miss Faust, today. It is due today. As soon as you've got it down, telephone, send it on to me. Again, give me an example, one example of a life lesson. I gave you guys at least two. If you have any questions, contact me. Otherwise, have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.